is related to the power dissipation, but in this lecture we'll only talk about the formulas and take an overview on the previous lecture. So in previous lecture I've taught you that power dissipation is basically the release of energy while the transferring of the energy from the light energy to the heat energy, and where the electric current is flowing through the circuit. Now here the light energy and heat energy transformation cause the power dissipation. As I taught you that the derivation of that P is equal to VI and the measuring unit is watt. So in this lecture we're gonna simply derive related formulas. Now we know that taken general formula P is equal to VI, and while using the Ohm's law we will do it. So we know that Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to IR. So we will simply put the V is equal to IR in the place of the V here. So it will become IRI, and II is squared. So the first formula is P is equal to I square R. The second formula that can be derived is P is equal to VI, the general formula. Now here again using Ohm's law, but here we'll transfer the I. So we know that in Ohm's law I is equal to V per R, volt per resistance. So here we'll put the volt per resistance in place of the I, so it will become V square per R. So what we're gonna have? First formula, P is equal to I square R. That means the power dissipation is equal to the square of the electric current and resistance product. Second, the power dissipation is equal to the square of the potential difference per unit resistance is known as power dissipation. So that was the general formulas that we can derive from the formula of the power dissipation related to Ohm's law. Thank you.